hand if you'd like to make a lot more money.
Yes.
And raise your hand if you'd like to have a lot more time in your life. Turn to the person next to you and say, you're in the right place. The first thing I like to do is like to say thank you to all of you for being here on time, because you could be doing anything today. So I know it's a weekend for you here in Dubai, and a lot of you had to get childcare, a lot of you had to make arrangements. Some of you should be working today. Last time I asked the question, I said, who should be working today? And two people put their hand up. One of them was the employee, the other person was the boss. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of you. Please give yourself a massive round of applause. Another thing, I also